Area 51. What they're really hiding. Channel, BackrodX. Before we begin, ask yourself this. 1. Why did the US government pretend Area 51 didn't exist for over 60 years, even while it was clearly visible on satellite images? 2. Why do military pilots and intelligence officers claim they saw crafts defying gravity around Groom Lake and were ordered never to speak of it? 3. Why are nearly all official UFO sightings clustered around one stretch of desert in Nevada? 4. Why do whistleblowers insist the US is reverse engineering non-human technology and hiding biological evidence? 5. And why is this place, this patch of desert, guarded with deadly force? If it's just another test site? This is BackrodX. And this is the truth behind Area 51. Part 1. Origins. The base that didn't exist. It began in the 1950s. Tucked away in the Nevada desert, near a dry lakebed called Groom Lake, a secret base was born. Built for one reason, to give the US an edge in the Cold War sky. But this base had no name. It didn't appear on maps. Even its coordinates were classified. The military simply called it Area 51. Officially, it didn't exist. But from its hangars came aircraft the world had never seen. The U-2, the State Route 71 Blackbird, and the F-117 Nighthawk, planes that flew higher, faster, and stealthier than anything before them. But with those aircraft came something else: sighting, lights, objects that no jet could explain. And a legend was born. Flying Saucer Back, Part 2, the UFO Connection. The skies above Area 51 began to speak. Locals described bright lights that hovered in silence, craft that zigzagged through the sky at impossible angles and shapes, black triangles, metallic spheres, that vanished in midair. UFO sightings spiked across the state. But every time someone asked the Air Force, the answer was the same. No comment. Or worse, denial. And while the world looked up in wonder, inside Area 51, something was flying. Part 3. Bob Lazar, the man who broke the code. Then came Bob Lazar. In 1989, Lazar stepped onto a Las Vegas news station. He claimed he worked at a site called S4, just south of Area 51. And what he saw, he said, was not human. Lazar described a disc-shaped craft powered by gravity manipulation. A reactor using an element scientists hadn't discovered yet, Element 115. Briefings that detailed thousands of years of extraterrestrial contact. He passed polygraphs. He showed blueprints. He even took a reporter to a secret site where, like clockwork, strange lights appeared in the sky. But soon after, Lazar's records vanished. No school history. No employment files. As if the government had erased him. Decades later, Element 115 was officially discovered. Just like Lazar claimed. Part 4. Modern disclosures and whistleblowers. For years, Lazar stood alone. But then others followed. In 2017, the US government declassified videos from Navy pilots chasing flying objects, craft with no visible engines, moving at impossible speeds. Then in 2023, former intelligence officer David Grusch testified before Congress. His words? The US has retrieved non-human craft and has biological material not of this earth. He wasn't alone. Multiple military officials and scientists have stepped forward, saying the same thing. The US is not just observing these crafts. We're studying them. And we're hiding what we've learned. Part 5. The walls that guard the truth. So why don't we know more? Because Area 51 isn't just secret. It's sealed. Surveillance cameras dot the hills. Hidden motion sensors bury beneath the sand. White SUVs patrol the edges, tracking every shadow. Trespassing signs come with a warning. Lethal force is authorized. Even satellite images are blurred or blacked out. And when presidents visit the base, they're flown in and out without a trace. What kind of secrets need this much protection? Part 6. Theories from inside. Beyond the alien theories lie even stranger whispers. Brain mind control projects. Stopwatch experiments in time manipulation. DNA human-alien hybrid research. Door interdimensional gateways beneath the Nevada soil. Some believe Area 51 is part of a global shadow network of black sites, each one holding pieces of a reality we aren't meant to understand. Are these theories real? Or just myths born from shadows? That depends on what you think the truth is worth. The truth we're not supposed to know. The truth about Area 51 isn't just about UFOs. It's about control. About what happens when a government decides. You don't need to know. And maybe about what happens when we find out we're not alone. This isn't science fiction. It's science that hasn't been shared. You don't have to believe Bob Lazar. You don't have to believe the military whistleblowers. But you should ask, why are they still trying so hard to keep you from looking? If this made you question what's really out there, hit subscribe to join us on BackrodX. This is just one secret. We're uncovering many more. Leave a comment below. Do you believe Area 51 holds the truth about aliens? Or is it something even bigger? Turn on notifications. Because next time, we're digging into what the Pentagon doesn't want you to find. This is BackrodX. And this was the story of Area 51.